Have you ever tried to truly understand an INFJ? It's like cracking a secret code. Some things, for them, are just absolute no-goes, even if they seem totally normal to you. In this video, we're diving into 5 things an INFJ will almost never do, and more importantly, why. This isn't about quirky habits or recycled stereotypes. These are real patterns, rooted in how their mind works. INFJs are often seen as the counselors, deep, introspective, empathetic. But behind that is a mind shaped by a precise mix of cognitive functions: NI, FE, TI, and SE. So, no astrology, no mystical vibes, just personality psychology, explained clearly and practically. First, they'll never say, "I don't care," and mean it. If an INFJ tells you, "It doesn't matter to me," they're probably lying, gently. Why? Because they've got extroverted feeling, or FE, as their auxiliary function, which means they care. A lot. Ignoring other people's emotions feels like holding their breath. For example, if a friend is rude to them, instead of snapping back, they'll think, "What must be going on with them to act like that?" And then cry silently half an hour later. Second, they will never make a major decision on the spot. INFJs lead with introverted intuition. NI and NI needs time. It connects dots. It meditates. It waits. They want to see the end of a path before even taking the first step. Changing jobs, starting a relationship, moving cities. That's not a beer night decision. It's a journal full of thoughts, sleepless nights, maybe even a prophetic dream decision. Third, they'll never use intimacy as a shortcut to connection. Yes, they feel things deeply, but don't confuse that with being clingy. INFJs have introverted thinking, TI, in third position. That makes them selective, reflective, sometimes emotionally reserved. So even if there's chemistry, they won't spill their traumas on date number 2. You might think they don't trust you, and you'd be right. Because trust, for them, is sacred. Fourth, they can't just turn off what they feel from others. INFJs absorb emotions like sponges, not by choice, but because FE doesn't come with an off switch. They walk into a tense room, they feel it, even if no one says a word. And they might leave with a headache not knowing why. That's not drama, that's neurochemistry. Fifth, they'll never say, "I'm an INFJ," the moment you meet them. Unless they're in that MBTI obsessed phase, yep, it happens. INFJs don't lead with their personality type. They observe, they listen, they scan the room. They've got extroverted sensing, SE, in last position, which means they're physically present, but only when necessary. Their real world is internal. So yeah, maybe they know everything about you after 10 minutes, but you know almost nothing about them. Mysterious? Maybe. Calculated? Absolutely not. Quick recap. NI gives them long-term vision. FE connects them emotionally to others. TI analyzes silently and precisely. SE links them to the real world in small, manageable doses. Put it all together and you get a personality that's deep, complex, and honestly, kind of enigmatic. So, if you know an INFJ, treat them with care. They won't show you everything, but if they let you peek into their inner world, that's a rare kind of honor. Which of these INFJ traits surprised you most? Or if you're an INFJ yourself, have you ever done any of these things? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.